been in a good mood? He didn't seem very nice to me this morning.
He's an asshole when he drives the boat.
Huh?
He's kind of a dick sometimes when he drives the boat. But once we get out in the ocean, it usually gets a little bit better. And it's really good that we're going in the ocean because whenever we dock the boat, there's like a 2-hour-long lesson. I'm not kidding, it's 2 hours. And then once we dock, there's a 2-hour discussion. You know this?
Yes.
In the ocean, there's no docking.
No.
You're just doing one fun
Yeah.
time. So when we get to Florida, we got 4 hours, a lesson, and recap and things like that, which is pretty good.
Yeah, no, he should be teaching people as he does this, you know, like getting paid for it. Can you wait right here for a second? Just wait right there for a second.